Ah! Oh, the suspense is killing me. Alright, so,
There we go.
ready, aim, fire!
Hey everybody, it's Jonathan and welcome back to another episode of Damaged Darts. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the National Blaster League Bunkr Battle Zone's Inflatable Barricade. Alright, the Bunkr Battle Zone's Inflatable Barricade looks like it is for ages 8 and up. Assembly is required, adult supervision recommended. The one we got here is the oil barrel. They also make the tire stack, the wooden ammo crate, the concrete block, but they've also got I'm going to check up here online. They also have the Bunkr Battle Zone competition pack, and that comes with the oil barrel, the wooden ammo crate, caution tape barricade, and it looks like a brick wall barricade in that pack. Looks like $9.47 you're looking at for that Bunkr Battle Zone competition pack. Without further ado, let's dig into this. It is 19 inches by 19 inches by 34 high. For the metric here, we're looking at 48.3 centimeters by 48.3 centimeters by 86.4 centimeters. So, and it also says it has a water-based system. So it looks like it's inflatable with air, and then you fill the base with water to keep that weighted down. So let's break this thing open and take a look. All right. Awesome. Got a little repair patch. So it has a self-adhesive repair patch for punctures and tears. That's cool. All right. We've got the user's manual and the setup instructions. Let's open this. Very cool. All right, so we're gonna do this redneck style. I've got a leaf blower outside that I'm gonna bring in here and fill this thing up with air. All right, so I took this outside and filled it up, the base up with water as the instructions said to do first. You will need, this is where the adult help supervision comes in, you're gonna need a plastic funnel to place inside this small opening on the base here and fill it up with water. Be sure not to overfill, just, you know, not to where it's like just about ready to burst. You don't want that, but you know, fairly full. And then replace the plunger. Take care of, as this is, you can use it indoors and outdoors, but you know, take care that you make sure that plug is in nice and tight, or you have a wet floor. Possibility, thinking about it, there might be a possibility of filling it with sand. I kind of second guess that because that opening is pretty darn small. I would stick with the water and the plastic funnel to fill that up. And now we're going to fill this up with air, and I'm using my trusty dusty leaf blower to do that, to really instantly fill this up. So I'm going to pop up my headgear and get this thing full. Woo! All right, that did the trick. Maybe not. Okay. This might take might be a two-person job, but that's pretty darn good. So now I'm probably gonna take this out. Whoa, I'm talking really loud probably. So I'm gonna take this out to the hallway firing range, maybe add a little bit more air to it, have Chandler help me hold on to this to really tighten things up, and give this a test run.
Alright, so here I've got my Nerf Chris Vector Strife, and if you guys haven't seen the mod that we've done on this, be sure to click the card here. Also, I have the attached new Nerf Modulus Chrono Barrel to show me the FPS while I'm firing at the Bunkr Battle Zone oil can down here. So let's lock and load and see what happens.
All right, so we're gonna test this thing out. I'm gonna get behind the Bunkr Battle Zone here, and on. See if I can get Chandler right there. Yep, there he is. Ready to fire away. See if I can get all of us in here. Oh, okay, there it is. Oh man, I gotta really sink down.
So
popped in the head. Oh my goodness.
Scoot down there.
Alright, so... oh, the suspense is killing me. Alright, so,
there we go.
ready, aim, fire. Oh, gosh. That was good. Okay. Alright, so there's the Strife. Whew, came out unscathed on that one. So now he's going to be using, I believe, the...
Nerf Rapid Strike, the new Monarchy auto rifle that we did.
Yeah, so we're going to bring out some Destiny Blast Fire here. So, alright, so he's going to pick that one up next.
Alright, so for the next blaster, I'll be using the Nerf New Monarchy Rapid Strike mod that we did. If you guys haven't seen this mod, be sure to click the card here. And of course, I also have the attached chrono barrel on this to show me the FPS while I shoot at the oil can at the end of the hallway. Alright, so here it goes.
Alright, so now I'm here at the, behind the, Battle Bunkr Zone's inflatable oil can barricade, and we are once again going to be firing at it using the Destiny New Monarchy Faction Nerf Rapid Strike rifle. So, let it rip. Here we go.
Alright, here we go.
I can take it. Alright, so there it is, guys. That thing, I mean, I can feel it like thumping through this thing. There's the Battle Bunkr Zones, the Bunkr Battle Zones, inflatable oil can barricade.
Alright everybody, thanks for watching our unboxing and review of this Bunkr Battle Zones inflatable barricade. Feel free to like and comment on the video. For more cool Nerf videos, consider subscribing to our channel by clicking on the double D icon below. You'll help us create more cool content to inspire you in all your Nerf projects. Damage Darts, signing off.